In this video, we'll see about adding audio and text effects in the previous application that we made. So first I'll show you how we can add a background sound. So first I'll right click on the hierarchy, click on create empty. I'll name it BG music. Click enter. Now we can see in the inspector the BG music. We'll add component and we'll search for audio and we'll click on audio source. Now you can see audio clip here is none, so we can select our audio clip of our choice. Now I have downloaded these audio clips from this Unity asset store. First I have downloaded the sound effects and as well as the music tracks, so these both are free of cost. Now I'll drag a music from here to the audio clip area. Now you can see the sound named potato has been assigned, and we'll check the play on awake. It is already checked, and we'll click on loop as we want the sound to be playing continuously. Now we can see when we play the game, the music will keep on playing. You can see the music is playing. Music has started to play. It will keep on playing until we stop the game. Now if I turn this audio component off, that is there is no background music assigned now, and you will see if I play the game, there is no sound playing. So I'll stop the game. uh, I'll now we have completed with the background music, so I'll delete this component. I'll come to the assets. Now I'll show you about the music that is played when something is triggered as well as the text. Now as you can see, this is my character. So I have created two scripts, basically basic walk and a ragdoll walk. So I have assigned both of them to the character, but I've turned them off. I'll show them one by one. So the first one is this basic walk script. It is just for movement. It does not have any music or any text. First I'll demonstrate this script. So I'll turn this basic walk script on and I'll play the game. As you can see, the character zombie is moving ahead. Right now there is no walking animation assigned. That's why it is not looking like real walking. But when we assign an walking animation, it will look like it's walking really. So this was the basic walk script. Now I will demonstrate the ragdoll walk script. I'll uncheck the basic walk and check the ragdoll walk. Now this is the ragdoll walk script. I've just modified the basic walk script to add a text mesh pro and an audio component in this. Now this Unity script, it orchestrates the behavior of a ragdoll character in response to the user input. The ragdoll animates in a walking state when the user touches the screen for mobile or clicks the mouse for PC, as this application was developed for mobile. The walking animation triggers a sound effect and simultaneously a text mesh pro component becomes visible. The text can be anything of our choice. When the user releases the input, the ragdoll stops walking, the sound ceases, and the text mesh pro component becomes hidden. The script utilizes Unity's physics and animation systems to translate the ragdoll forward, adjusts the speed of movement, and synchronizes the animation state with the walking condition. This code ensures the proper management of text mesh pro components visibility and the playback and cessation of the walking sound in response to the user input. Uh, Now I'll enable this script for our character. So you can see it is enabled. So we'll have to add the walk sound components and text components as they are not added right now. So for the walk sound, I'll go to this folder. I'll just add this walking in chain mail. So walking in, I'll just drag it here and put it in the walk sound component. So you can see this sound is attached. Now this sound will play for the time our mouse button is clicked. So when our mouse button will be clicked, the character will move and this sound will play. Now I'll also add a walking, this text named walking to the text mesh pro component. Text mesh, see, if we keep these checked, it will continuously show here, but we don't want that. We want it to show only when we click the mouse button. So I'll keep this unchecked. Go to the character. I'll drag this text component from here to the text mesh pro here. Now you can see we have all the components ready. Uh, this is done in the script as you can see. In the script, it enables the walking text. We have disabled it from here, but it will enable it from the script when we click the mouse button. Now since we have assigned both the components here, we have set the walking speed to 3. You can increase it as per your liking. You can change the sound or text as you like. Now when we click the play button, you will see currently there is no sound or text, but if I click, you will see that the for the duration of the time being when the mouse is clicked, the sound will play and it will display the text that says walking. I'll show you once again. See, for all the time the mouse button is clicked, it will show the walking here and it will play the sound as well. Now I'll leave the mouse button. See, it has stopped. So this way we can demonstrate text effects and music and audio in Unity.